As men get older, belly fat gets easier to gain and harder to lose. In today's video, we'll discuss 5 exercises you can do from home to burn belly fat faster. These exercises are designed to boost your metabolism, increase your testosterone levels, and help you get a leaner, more attractive midsection. We'll also show you the worst exercise you can do to lose belly fat, so make sure you stay tuned to discover what this exercise is and why you should avoid it if you want to lose belly fat faster. Before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss our latest tips and tricks for reclaiming your masculinity and health. Let's jump right in. The first home exercise to lose belly fat is mountain climbers. Mountain climbers engage your core, shoulders, and legs. They also increase your heart rate in short spurts of intense exercise, leading to a faster metabolism and more calories burned. To do mountain climbers, you'll get into the plank position with your hands on the floor. Bring one knee to your chest and then switch legs quickly, repeating this movement between both legs, back and forth for 30 seconds, giving your best effort. The second home exercise to lose belly fat is burpees. Burpees are a powerful, full-body exercise that combines strength and cardio. By engaging multiple muscle groups, burpees ramp up your body's metabolic rate both during and after you finish the exercise. To do burpees, start in a standing position. Perform a squat and then kick your feet back into a plank. From there, do a push-up and then jump your feet back to your hands. Follow that with an explosive jump upwards. Repeat the exercise for 30 seconds, giving your best effort. The third home exercise to lose belly fat faster is up downs. This exercise will remind you of your old high school football playing days. Up downs increase your heart rate, activate your core, and engage your lower body, initiating a metabolism and testosterone boosting response, helping to chew through belly fat faster. The fourth home exercise to lose belly fat is high knees. High knees are great for targeting your abdominal muscles and increasing your heart rate. To do high knees, stand with your feet 6 inches apart, lift your knee towards your chest, and alternate back and forth between legs. Engage your core throughout the movement by flexing your abs and maintaining upright posture. The fifth home exercise to lose belly fat faster is plank skaters. This exercise boosts your heart rate, engages your shoulders, core, and legs, and it specifically targets your obliques while challenging your cardio. Have you noticed the similarity between these exercises? These are 2 things they all have in common. They get your heart rate up and engage multiple muscle groups at the same time, which makes each exercise efficient for burning belly fat. This stands in contrast with the worst exercise you can do while trying to lose belly fat: sit-ups. Many people believe that because sit-ups engage your abs, the more you do, the faster belly fat will disappear. But unfortunately, you can't target the fat on your belly by doing abs exercises. Sit-ups also burn very few calories compared to the other exercises on this list, meaning you'll burn less calories per workout, making it harder to lose belly fat. In order to burn the most amount of calories in a workout, and thereby burning more fat, you want to follow the structure of doing short but intense spurts of cardio, boosting exercises that engage multiple muscle groups, including your abs. So there you have it, 5 home exercises to help you lose belly fat faster. Of course, there are other factors at play in seeing the best results from exercises like these, such as diet and sleeping habits. As you aim to lose belly fat, eat at a slight caloric deficit. Keep your diet rich in protein, cut out liquid calories where you can, and keep believing in yourself. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time, stay healthy and stay natural.